While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Free breath. Let's begin. Easy pose. Sit comfortably with crossed legs. Keep your spine tall, and rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and feel calm and centered. Seated forward bend. Sit tall with your legs extended forward. Inhale, then exhale as you fold from the hips, reaching toward your feet. Breathe deeply, feeling calm and gentle stretch along your spine. Standing forward, fold. Stand tall, then hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your head and arms relax, breathing slowly, feeling release and calm through your body. Mountain pose with breath awareness. Stand tall with feet grounded and spine straight. Bring awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Feel calm, centered, and steady like a mountain. Cat pose. Begin on your hands and knees. Round your spine upward, tuck your chin, and exhale slowly, feeling your back stretch and tension release. Resting pose. Kneel down gently. Bring your hips back toward your heels and stretch your arms forward. Lower your head and breathe slowly, feeling peace, grounding, and relaxation. Seated side bend. Sit tall with crossed legs. Place one hand on the floor and reach the other arm overhead. Stretch gently to the side and breathe deeply, feeling openness and calm. Seated side bend. Sit comfortably. Place one hand on the floor beside you and reach the other arm over your head. Breathe deeply and stretch through the side of your body, feeling release and calm. Lotus pose. Sit comfortably with legs crossed, placing each foot on the opposite thigh if possible. Keep your spine straight, rest your hands on your knees, and breathe deeply, feeling calm, centered, and balanced. Lotus pose. Sit tall with legs crossed, placing feet on opposite thighs if comfortable. Rest your hands on your knees. Keep your spine straight and breathe deeply, feeling balance and calm. Low lunge with breath. Step 1 foot forward into a lunge, keeping the back knee on the mat. Lift your chest, reach your arms overhead, and breathe deeply, feeling stretch, stability, and focus. Low lunge with breath. Step 1 foot forward, keeping the back knee on the mat. Lift your chest, reach arms overhead, and breathe deeply, feeling stretch, balance, and focus. Reclining bound angle. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees fall open to the sides. Rest your arms by your sides and breathe deeply, feeling release, openness, and calm. Standing side stretch. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Reach one arm overhead and gently bend to the opposite side. Breathe deeply, feeling a stretch along your side body and calm focus. Standing side stretch. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Reach one arm overhead. Lean gently to the side and breathe deeply, feeling length, openness, and calm. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, and lift your chest. Keep your elbows slightly bent and breathe deeply, feeling your back strengthen and chest open. Relaxation pose. Lie flat on your back, arms relaxed at your sides, and legs comfortably apart. Close your eyes, breathe slowly and deeply, and let your body fully relax, feeling calm, grounded, and peaceful.